your hair is always dry, itchy and breaks so easily, then this pre-poo treatment is going to save your hair. What's up my lovely people, good day, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you guys a simple pre-poo treatment using aloe vera and hair growth oil that completely transformed my hair. This recipe was from Natura 8. I hope I'm pronouncing her name very well because she is a legend in history. So one of the things that prevents our hair from growing is dryness, because with dryness comes breakage, okay? And that is why this aloe vera pre-poo is very good, because it will help to hydrate your hair. Like it will help to soften your hair and make detangling easy and help you to retain so much length. It's so easy to use, guys. Like there's no stress. All you need is just aloe vera. And here, this is me cutting my aloe vera, guys. So you just have to like split your aloe vera this open. And yeah, I'll also be using aloe vera water to dampen my hair. Then next is my hair growth oil. Now you can actually choose to use any oil of your choice. I mean any oil that your hair loves that helps your hair to grow, okay? So this is what my hair is currently looking like, guys. Like look at how dry. When I say it is dry, like at this point I can't even touch anything on my hair. But this aloe vera did an amazing job. So if you're looking to grow your hair, then please try this aloe vera pre-poo treatment. So before I even start pre-pooing, I'll first saturate my entire hair with the aloe vera. With the aloe vera water. I am not looking to soak it wet, just damp enough to like, you know, soften my hair before I will start pre-pooing my hair section by section. So guys, let me know, do you pre-poo your hair before wash day, or do you just go to the bathroom and then start washing your hair? Like I've been doing pre-poo / detangling before wash day, and let me tell you guys, the difference is clear. Like it helps me to minimize breakage as much as possible. The amount of hair that I lose to breakage in the bathroom is minimized now, like really minimized at this point. So and sometimes the hair we lose at the bathroom is not normal, it's just out of frustration, okay? Especially when you're in the bathroom trying to detangle, and or maybe you're feeling cold, you know, especially this winter period, like you're feeling cold and you're like in a hurry, your mind is not settled, in your heart of hearts you really want to like hurry up and, you know, leave the bathroom. So that frustration will translate to your hair and even make you to lose a lot of hair, because to be honest, at that point you're no longer being gentle, you're just surviving, you're just doing anything possible to get out of that place. So that is why I found that pre-pooing my hair, especially a day before the wash day, is a game changer. Like this pre-poo treatment, I actually did it like 2 days before my wash day, okay? So this is me here just applying the aloe vera gel to my scalp. So my love, this method is so nice. Like it feels really nice on the scalp, you know, and the sliminess of the aloe vera helps your hand to like really massage your scalp very well, okay? So then I'm going to apply oil, you know, on the scalp and also work it in properly, okay? And once I'm through with that, I will then apply oil to my ends and then the rest of the hair, okay? And in some sections I actually spray the aloe water again just to soften it a bit more. And then sometimes I also like apply the aloe vera on the full length of my hair. So it just depends on, you know, how dry that particular section is. This is a new game changer. Like if you've never tried this method, I encourage you to try this method. Like you will fall in love with it, okay? So if you don't want to use this pattern, I believe you can also blend the aloe vera, but if you're not careful, you would actually miss, you will not get it to be as slimy and juicy, you know. It's not the same when you use the raw one. But I'm going to make a video next time. I'm going to make a video showing another pattern that you can also use this method, okay? So one thing I noticed with doing it this way is, of course, like the aloe particles will be stuck on your hair when you wash it out. You might not be able to completely wash it out, you understand? So but to me that is not actually a big deal, because by the time you finish your wash day routine, you might not even see any particle again on your hair. So yeah, the option is only yours. Now, why aloe vera? Why is this treatment so important? I'm going to give you a few benefits of aloe vera for your scalp and for your entire hair, so that you have an idea why you should try this treatment, okay? So aloe vera contains vitamin B12 and other vitamins such as vitamins A, C and E, which helps to strengthen weak strands and repair broken cuticles. So this is why, you know, your hair feels smooth and slippery when you apply aloe vera on your hair, especially when you apply aloe vera gel on your hair. Okay, so aloe also contains enzymes that gently exfoliate the scalp and improve blood flow to your scalp. Okay, like guys, anything that increases blood circulation to your scalp is actually going to help to promote hair growth. Okay, because we know that small circulation equals faster hair growth. So aloe is gentle on the scalp, but it's also very effective. So aloe vera also helps to cool and calm irritation almost immediately. Like if you are one who is experiencing dandruff, if you're experiencing itchiness, or your scalp is constantly feeling dry, especially this period, if you use aloe vera on your scalp the way that you see me do in this video, it is going to give you instant relief. Now, for some people who still experience itchiness after using aloe vera, maybe it's because you're not completely washing off the poison from the aloe vera. Like the poison, which is the yellow lettuce, is the substance that actually causes aloe vera to itch. So the aloe vera that I just showed, it has been in the water for a long time. Okay, so that is why you did not see that yellow lettuce, because that yellow substance, that is what causes the aloe vera to itch. If you use aloe vera, because I hear some people say, oh, aloe vera used to itch me. If you have used aloe vera and experienced itching, then try this. Next time you want to use your aloe vera, cut off the two sides of the aloe vera, then cut it in small sizes and then put it in the water and just leave it there for like 30 minutes or even 1 hour. Okay, after that, then wash off the first water, wash it again, rinse it again with the second water, and just start using it however you want to use it. You will notice that the itchiness will no longer be there. Try it and let me know. Another thing is, don't let the skin of the aloe vera to touch you, because some people's body and scalp are like too sensitive. All right, so you might just want to use only the aloe vera. Just scrape the aloe vera out and don't let the skin of the aloe vera to touch you. Okay, that is for people who are sensitive to. You might not use this pattern that we are using here. You might have to post blend yours so that you still get the slimy texture. All right, but I tell you, this is the perfect way. But don't worry, I'm going to show how to use the other method another time that I'm going to be using aloe vera on my hair. Now, it is no longer a new thing that winter air makes our natural hair to dry up very fast, as if the hair is not drying on its own. But this winter makes it dry even faster. Okay, and that is why aloe vera is so good for you. Now, aloe vera is not just a humectant. Aloe vera is also a film forming humectant. Okay, which means that it attracts and holds moisture in your hair strand so that your hair doesn't shrink or look dull or even break. Now, if you don't know what is film forming humectant, a film forming humectant is like a raincoat, like it forms a protective barrier preventing moisture from escaping. Don't worry, I'm going to make a video on the film forming humectant because I think that is what we need in this winter period. Okay, so yeah, look forward to that video. Alright, my beautiful people, if you watch up to this moment, you are an angel. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you for tuning in, and yeah, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and yeah, share this video to your loved ones. Okay, share it to people around you. Okay, my loves. Alright, so our faith nugget today is taken from the book of John 3 verse 16, which says that for God loved the world so much that he sent his one and only son to die for us. If we believe in him and confess that he is our God, we are not going to perish, but we will have everlasting life in him. So my loves, I want you to meditate on that as we enter into this festive period. So as we are remembering his birth this season, may we also remember the ultimate sacrifice that he made for our sake to save us. Okay, all right. So my loves, I went off camera and I finished the other side of the hair. Okay, so here I am completely done. I will just pack my hair up because I will rock it like this for at least 2 days before washing my hair. And here is just the amount of shed hair that I got after detangling my hair. Alright my loves, so until I come your next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of your amazing self and bye. Mwah.